Hi guys, my name is Emily. I'm one of the peer experts at the Psych 2220 Learning Lab, and today I'm going to help you determine what hypotheses test you should use. So you've made it all the way through this semester, you've studied so hard, and we're all so proud of you, but now you're studying for the final and you don't know which test to use under which circumstances. That is the goal of this video. So what hypotheses test should I use? Our first question that we should ask ourselves is, do I know the population standard deviation? And if the answer is yes, then we are automatically going to go with the z-test. And if we answer no, then we are going to need to do some type of t-test. And then our next question is going to be, how many samples am I comparing? If you look in your question or you answer yourself in your mind, one, then this means you are going to do a single sample t-test. And if our answer is two or more, we are going to use another different type of t-test, which leads us to our next question of what type of sample comparison am I going to use? So our two options are within and between. So if we have a within groups comparison of our samples, then we are going to want to use a paired samples t-test. And remember that this means that the population is facing both levels or more levels of the independent variable. And besides within groups, we have between groups. And this means that we will be doing an independent t-test. Please feel free to screenshot, take a picture, or write down this flowchart, and I hope it helps you in your studying for your success in this class. Thank you.